Hey, Mr. Fireman.
Hi.
We haven't seen you since you saved the kitty from the tree, huh?
Uh-huh.
That was pretty awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what do we have here? What is this?
A Hello Kitty car.
A Hello Kitty car. It looks like it comes with a
And it's
free
for
scooter.
me.
It's for you?
Yeah.
Or is it for Zoe?
It's for Zoey.
She's over there driving your car that you got. She even stole your fireman helmet, huh? You're a good brother. Should we bust this open?
Yeah, and if you never call me a brother, I'm not a brother.
What are you?
A fireman.
You're not a brother, you're a fireman? Awesome. Alright, let's open this up. Pull.
Look at me, Dad. That baby Willie stole my fireman helmet and she's going to destroy it.
Zoe's gonna destroy it.
Yeah, and I don't know what that thing is, but
Came with the scooter.
Oh.
Came with the free scooter. Should we build this?
Yeah.
It's pretty cool.
Build
This is what it looks like out of the box. Battery's there. Take that out in a minute and charge it, but it looks pretty cool. Hey Zoe, there you go. There you go. You excited? You excited? Yeah. Thank you, she says. That's super nice. All right, is it on? Let's see. Oh, this is on. There you go. Be sure to click subscribe to be notified when we post the second part of this video. What Zoe did with this car is pretty hilarious. She drove it and then she ran from it, and it was epic. So make sure to click subscribe on Johnny and Zoe because we play with Power Wheels all the time and we have a blast. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in our next video.